Hello, and welcome to the video. If you're looking to delete your investing.com account using the mobile app, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching platforms or simply no longer need it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and quickly. Let's get started. Open the investing.com app on your mobile device. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on More. Next, in the top right corner of the More menu, tap on the Settings icon. Once inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option at the very bottom of the list. Tap on Delete Account. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Finally, tap to confirm the deletion. Your account will now be removed from the platform. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to delete your investing.com account using the mobile app. If this video helped you, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more tutorials.